Hi, good morning. My name is Dan from Global Telesat Communications, and today we're going to talk about how to use a satellite phone. This is the Iridium 9555 using Iridium's omnidirectional network. This is Inmarsat's IsatPhone 2, a directionally pointing phone. And this is Thuraya XT-LITE, also a directionally pointing phone. This is Iridium's 9555, an omnidirectional device, meaning as long as you have a clear view of the sky with no obstructions, you're good to get a connection wherever you are. To turn on an Iridium phone, you press the power button at the top and you hold it down. Once connected, the screen will say registered, and you dial out using international dialing code. With Iridium, the phone numbers come from a +881 number. This is the IsatPhone 2 from Inmarsat, a directionally pointing device as well. The satellite thrust in Europe is above Africa along the equator. With Inmarsat, to turn the device on, hold down the red button. When the device comes on, it will search for the satellite as well as get a GPS location fix. Once ready to dial out, dial with international caller codes. Again, for the UK, it's +44 or 0044. And press call. With Inmarsat numbers, they come from a +870 number. This is Thuraya's phone, the XT-LITE, a directionally pointing device which needs to face towards the equator in Africa for it to work, which for us is in the direction just behind us here. To turn on the Thuraya XT-LITE, hold down the end call button, which will then turn the device on. And then point the satellite phone towards the satellite. Once connected, all you need to do is dial out with international dialing calls. With the UK, it's 0044 or +44. And press call. Once it comes through from Thuraya, the number it will come from is a +882 number. If you have any questions or issues about how to use a satellite phone or anything we've spoken about today, please feel free to contact us from the website, email or phone, and we'll be happy to help. My name is Dan from Global Telesat Communications. Have a good day.